Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Java Classified. In this video, I will show you how to learn Docker even if your system doesn't have the capacity to run Docker locally. Some of students want to learn the Docker, but they don't have the capacity to install the Docker and run the Docker in local system. So in that scenario, that student will follow my this tutorial. So I'm going to Chrome browser for learning the Docker. So I'm going to Chrome browser here, typing one URL https localhost https labs dot play hyphen with docker.com. Once you type this URL http http colon labs dot play with docker, you will see one URL will appear in the Chrome browser. So you just click this URL. Now you will be here in this page. In this page, you just click the login. Once you click the login, you will see one drop down will appear Docker. Just click the Docker. Here you will see two login page. In that scenario, you can log in by using your Gmail, and you can log in by creating your account. So I'm going to log in by using Gmail. So I have logged in with my Gmail. You can use your Gmail. So once you log in, you will see one button will appear here. Start. You just click the start button. Then you will landed one page. In this page, you will see one timer is going on. So that timer is nothing but the Docker Docker Labs time. You just learn the Docker for 4 hours in one session. So I'm going to add new instance button. Just click here. You will see one CMD command will appear. You can see in the screen. This is the CMD command. I am going to clean this one by using clean command. Now going to check the Docker version by using Docker hyphen version. Now you can check the all images present in your local system by using Docker images command. So right now there is no image available in the local, so that's why it is giving empty. So you can use Docker ps command by checking the running container. So in this video I will show you how to learn the Docker if you don't have the capacity. In upcoming video I will show you more commands of the Docker, like how to pull the images from the Docker Hub registry, and how to run that images, and how to check the logs of that image that that containers as well. Thank you for watching watching my video. If you found this helpful, subscribe to my channel for more updates and tutorials. See you in the next video. Thank you.